Hi sir, Vikram this side from Bajaj Finance. There is an offer for you sir.
What offer?
So this plan is only available for people whose CIBIL is more than 800. You are one of them. So in this plan we will give you a overdraft limit facility where you can use any amount and we will just charge you only interest on that. You don't need to pay any principal up to 2 years.
Sorry, I'm not in need of money now.
Sir, take it for future for security purpose. It's a great opportunity. You can keep it OD aside. Only how much you use, that much we will charge. If you don't use anything, you don't need to pay anything.
No, leave it. You will take lots of unnecessary charges like processing fee and some other charges.
No sir, I assure you, there will be no processing fee apart from just 500 rupees.
Actually, I'm not in need now, so leave it. We'll see later.
Sir, we are giving now with zero processing fee. Don't worry. You can take this money and park this money aside. We'll not charge you anything.
Actually, I'm not in need now. Please try to understand. We'll see later.
Sir, please take it. It will help us to complete our targets and you can utilize it whenever you want. Don't worry, sir. If you don't withdraw any amount, we'll not charge you anything, sir.
Okay, but only if you don't charge any extra amount.
Don't worry, sir. We'll just charge you 500 rupees. Apart from that, there will be no extra charges. Please share your salary slip and documents here.
Share me your email ID.
Sir, you can share the documents here also on WhatsApp.
Okay.
So based on your profile, we will give you 35 lakh rupees OD limit.
No, I don't want that much. Kindly give only 5 to 7 lakhs.
So based on your profile, we can give you minimum of 16 lakhs.
Nobody. I don't need that much.
Sir, it will not make any difference. You take 5 or 16, we will charge you only 500 rupees. More money can help you only.
No, I don't want that much. Kindly give only 7 lakhs only.
Okay, sir. Sir, you might have got an email, a link. Please click approve.
I'm busy right now. Let's do it later.
Sir, it will take 2 minutes, sir. I need to log out in 10 minutes. You just click approve.
Okay. Done.
Thank you, sir. We will create your account and disburse the amount soon.
Hey, why you passed 16 lakh when I asked you to give only 7 lakh?
Sir, based on your profile, 16 lakh was showing least amount. We can't give less amount than this.
But you can tell this thing before also, right? Before disbursing this loan?
Sir, don't worry. You can use how much you want. We will not take interest on unused amount.
Okay, but why it is showing 16 lakh 20,000 as loan and 20,000 used amount? I have not used anything yet.
So don't worry, we will remove these charges.
When?
Sir, these charges will get removed one by one and it will take 25 to 27 days of time. So please bear with me and do what I say. We need to remove insurance and FPR from this. So send a mail to this email ID.
Done.
Now wait for 15 to 17 days, FPR will get removed. Then we will remove the insurance and other charges also one by one.
Okay.
Sir, FPR removed.
Yes, it's done. Thank you. When is the rest of the amount will get removed?
Sir, don't worry, it will get removed soon.
Sir, EMI date is near. Please remove insurance and other extra charges apart from 500, as you mentioned.
Sir, it will take some time. Now send another mail to Bajaj team, they will remove these charges. Don't worry, we will get it removed before your EMI date.
Okay.
Okay, send email.
Sir, we have removed your insurance also.
Thanks. What about that extra 9,000 rupees? When this will get removed?
Sir, my grandfather passed away. Please spare me for 7 days.
Okay, but pass this work to your peer.
Okay, sir. Please call after 7 to 8 days.
Hey, it's been so long. When are you removing that 9,000 extra amount? EMI date is tomorrow.
Sir, I am in hospital. Please give me some time. Please call after 2 days.
What? What about my EMI?
We'll do something when I come back.
Hey, my EMI deduced today. When are you removing the charges, man?
Sir, the FPR charges and insurance charges are removed.
Yes, I know, but there is an extra charge of 9,500 rupees. When it'll get removed?
Sir, these are the mandatory charges which Bajaj will take from all customer.
Hey, why didn't you told me these things earlier? Why are you telling me after my EMI deducted?
Sir, I thought my junior executive already told these things to you.
This is unfair. Neither you nor your junior told me about these charges. What else are you hiding?
Nothing, sir.
Do one thing. Close the loan. It is unused.
Sir, you can do it from Bajaj app only.
I'm trying to close this loan from app and it's asking for 86,000 rupees. 86,000 for 9K loan which I didn't use yet. Why?
Sir, there is a foreclosure charges of 4.7% to close the loan.
Foreclosure charges of 4.7% on 9,000, right?
No, sir. Foreclosure charges will be applicable on all 16 lakh amount.
What? Why? How can you do that? What else are you hiding? Please tell me all clearly. I request you.
Sir, there will be an yearly AMC charges 13,999. Also, you need to pay EMI every month for 1,000, which is 59 rupees every month.
Why these all were not told to me earlier? I felt like I got cheated now. I didn't use the amount yet, so I want to close this loan.
So please don't close it. We'll lose our jobs. How much you paid, you tell me, we'll send the amount directly by GPay to your account. So check, you might have received the extra amount 9,000 rupees on a GPay.
Your 9,000 rupees doesn't solve my problem.
So you use this for 6 months. After 6 months, we'll reduce your amount from 16 lakh to lesser amount.
I feel like you have cheated me.
Sir, we have shared you terms and conditions while approving it. If you didn't hear it, it's your problem.
Now I know why you delayed 30 days to remove extra charges. This is not ethical.
Sir, you have done a mistake. If I would have been in your place, I would have accepted it and continued the loan. But don't worry, we can waive off your AMC charges if you top up the loan. But only after 6 months.
This is not fair. I will write it to RBI.
RBI is in our pocket, sir. They will not do anything. Like you, there are many. Go try it.